everybody, Marcy here. I'm going to be doing a donkey kick video. Those seem to do well. I guess people really want to tone and shape their glutes, but with my donkey kick videos, you also get your abs tight and your entire body just totally in shape, okay? But today my outfit is from a company called Public Myth. You have to check them out. The link is in the description box below. And I really like their outfits. They're super trendy. They're comfortable. They wick away moisture, and it makes you feel good during your workout. And they have lots of different outfits and matching sets as well. These pants, you're going to lose my head in a second, but these pants do come with the set. I just chose to do my own thing because I'm Marcy and I like to be different. Okay, so I like loose fitting stuff. I like tight stuff. I'm kind of all over the place, so check it out. Okay, sitting down, I'm going to put on these ankle weights. This is going to be a killer, and it's not even going to be a long workout. Okay, so I have 5-pound ankle weights here. You don't need anything extremely heavy until you master this weight, then you can go up. So I'm simply going to put this around my ankles really quick. I simply got mine off of Amazon. I don't see the brand on here. I apologize. If you really want to know, leave me a comment. I'll look it up for you. So I'm putting on my ankle weights. And we're going to go for roughly 8 minutes or so. Let's crank it out. Okay, so I'm going to set my clock. We're going to go for 8 minutes. And we're going to burn like crazy. Woohoo! Alright. Okay, go ahead and put your spine in alignment. And I might take this shirt off just so that you can see. I simply want you to point that toe. And I want you to go straight up with the left leg. Straight up with the left leg. We're going for 12 reps. Okay, this is 5, 6, point that toe, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Right leg right away, pointing that toe. Let's go 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Flat, same exercise, but a flat foot. Foot flex down. Flat foot, not pointed, flat like this. Let's go 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe, 4, 3, 2, and 1. You should be burning already because I am. Let's go other leg. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Awesome job. Extend that left leg out. And we're going to go straight up so our heel in line with our glute. Let's go. 12, 11, 10, 9. Breathe out as you lift up. This is 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And how to engage your core when you do these type of exercises, you actually have to squeeze your core as you're lifting up. Okay, so that's a simple adjustment. Just engage your core. I'm going to take this off really quick. I'm getting hot. All right, let's do 12 straight leg on the other side. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squeeze those glutes. Okay, lower down to your forearms. I want you to kick up 2 times. 1, 2, and then I want you to come up. And then go down and kick 2 times. 1, 2, and then I want you to come up. So I'll give you 1. That was 1. Let's do 11 more. Here. That's 10. That's 9. That's 8. That's 7. Get up as high as you can. That's 6. 5. 4. 3, 2, and 1. That's a burner. Okay, other side. Kicking up high on the left leg. Going down, kick up high. 1, 2. That's 1. That's 2. That's 3. 4. 5. Squeeze those abs and get up. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 2 more. And 1 more. Okay, so coming in your face. All right, we've already done the lifting. Let's go ahead and work on those hips a little bit. So let's go out to the side with our hips, and we're going to alternate. Let's do 24 total, right? So 12 on each side, and we're going to alternate. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm burning. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Try not to stop. 16, 17. I think I skipped. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Does that not burn like crazy? Oh my gosh. So I hit my glutes out when I'm burning like you would not believe. Okay, so right leg extended, and we're simply going to do lifts if you're able, lifting just like this. Let's go for 12, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Other side. Extending that left leg out, right arm up. Let's go for 12. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, squeeze, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Still burning like crazy, man. Okay, same thing. Let's put that right leg back out to the side. We're almost there. I want you to bring that leg forward and extend it out so it stays lifted. Bring it forward and extend it out. Okay, so I'll give you 1. Let's do 11 more. Here we go. That's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, oh my gosh, 3, 2, and 1. I can barely even finish. Other side. Left leg out. Bringing that knee into crunch and back in. Here we go. That's 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, and 7. And I actually have to take a break because that's how much I'm burning. But keep going if you need to. Here we go. Finishing out. Here's rep 7. 6, and 5, and 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. That's the thing with my style workouts. I don't give easy stuff, and I'm not ashamed to stop if I need to. We got 1 minute left to blast it out. Okay, here we go. We're going to do some pulses. I want the knee in, foot out, and we're going to pulse out just like this. Looks a little crazy. Knee touches your knee and pulse out. 10, 9, 8, I gotta add 2 more. 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Right knee in, foot out. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Regular pulses, foot goes straight back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh, and 11 and 12. I typically count to 10. Right leg and we're done. Let's go. 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Awesome job. That's how you get your booty in shape with donkey kicks. Change it up, have fun. I'll see you later. Check out Public Myth.